Hey there my peeps, once again welcome to Ruth's Gourmet Kitchen. Guys, as you know, it's summertime and there's lots of parties going around. We always know what to cook but never know what's for dessert. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make some really exotic desserts for after dinner or even for parties. And today I'm going to make for you a mango exotic dessert named Mango Cotta. And for this recipe I need fresh mangoes, which I've pureed here already just to save time, and I need mango nectar for this. I also need milk and I need heavy cream. I also need vanilla extract, sugar, and one of the most important thing in this recipe is unflavored gelatin, which is what's going to hold the dessert together. So this is what I need today. And I also need mango for topping and mint leaves for garnishing at the end, and vanilla extract. So at this point, what I do first is I'm going to show you how to start the process. There is two processes in this recipe, so I'll do the first one for you, and this one is using the mango nectar with the gelatin. You put this gelatin in the mango and you whisk it around like this, and you just pop this in the microwave for a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this in the microwave for a minute, just for a minute. It's a little warm and it kind of binds it together. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright guys, I'm back. So what we want to do now is to make the second part of this beautiful exotic dessert. When I left you guys earlier on, I was putting this into the refrigerator and you can see they're now set nicely. So I'm just going to finish off the second part so we can complete our dessert, our mango cotta. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in just a pinch of salt, about a quarter teaspoon of salt, just to give flavor to this dessert, okay? And I'm going to put in half cup of sugar, and that's in the milk. I'm going to put in a quarter teaspoon of vanilla powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And of course, again, we are going to use the unflavored gelatin. Do not forget this essential part of this recipe. You put in the gelatin in here and we mix that together gently to incorporate everything together. You want to get all of the gelatin mixed up in the milk so it's not going to have any lumps. Okay? You want a really smooth dessert. And we are going to stir this until all the sugar is dissolved. I can still hear a little bit of sugar in the bottom, so I know there's still a little bit in the bottom. Okay? Just going to stir that until it's all dissolved. This should be pretty good. And you can taste it to see if the flavor is good enough for you. And what we'll do after, I'll stick this in the microwave for a minute. So we're back, folks. We're back, and the next stage we're going to put the 2 cups of heavy cream that I mentioned to you guys earlier into this bowl. And this we're going to get the body for our dessert. And I'm going to mix the gelatin and the milk into it and give it a light stir. So there we have it. Just going to give it a light stir to incorporate everything into the bowl properly. That's nice and mixed. And we are now going to, I'm just going to pour it over back into this bowl so I can measure it properly. And now what we're going to do, we are going to fill these up and finish our desserts. This one is full here. So folks, this is what we're looking for. This is what I'm looking for. I'm going to put this back into the refrigerator for another 25 minutes so you can set again, and then we come back to finish and garnish. See you guys in a minute. Ciao for now. So folks, I'm done with my dessert. This is the final result. Look how pretty that looks, folks. I garnished with fresh diced mangoes and some mint leaves. And I got and achieved exactly what I wanted to. You have the fresh mangoes and you have my Cotta sauce. So there you are, folks. I'm very sorry you all are not here to taste this dessert with me today, but I'll make sure that I tell you guys how it tastes. So please try this and let me know how it came out. And don't forget to top with fresh mangoes and top it with some mint leaves. So folks, if you've liked what you've seen today, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I would definitely like to correspond back and forth with you guys. And don't forget to share this goodness of Ruth's Gourmet Kitchen and subscribe. Let the world know, and I'll see you another time. Take care. Ciao for now. There you guys are. There you got it. I'm going to dig in and taste this beautiful dessert. See you again.